Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures on Friday morning, October 19th. Happy Friday. Bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. What do we got going on here? Crude prices firmer here on the overnight. It was kind of quiet initially, and we did see a little bit of a spike here this morning. We've got that November crude oil contract right now up about 76 cents, trading around 92.86. So coming right up here around that resistance area I've mentioned in several posts around that 93. I personally expect to see some strong resistance up at this area. Looking at the Brent, which is firmer. Remember, we're looking at the December Brent here. Right now we're up about 54 cents around 112.96. Give me a call if you want to learn more about the WTI Brent spread, how you could potentially play that. The number there is on the screen, or shoot me an email. We can get into more detail. Let's take a look at Nat Gas, also firmer here. Caught a really nice run there yesterday in that Nat Gas market. Prices were substantially firmer there. As we saw the inventory numbers come out, that market was pushing up quite a bit. So we are firmer right now, up about 1 to 2 cents at around 360 and a half. Complex also firmer. RBOB up around 277.19. That's up almost 2 3/4 cents. And we're firmer in the heat as well, up about 3 1/4 at around 321.86. So what's kind of pushing prices here? Well, something that I think is important here, especially here in the Midwest, the Keystone Pipeline. There's some problems, some issues there. They shut the pipeline down. They've got to do some work on it. Expected to come back up here online sometime here late in the weekend or early next week. So, you know, that pipeline there transports about 600,000 barrels of oil there a day. And so, I mean, that's kind of adding some support here to the market. Geopolitical risks obviously still there and present in the market. We talk a lot about that. I don't see anything really, new that's developed there, but nonetheless, traders are talking about that a little bit this morning. I think, part of the reason why I don't think we're seeing prices though really move here to the upside is something I've been mentioning a lot of, and that's the supply and demand situation there. That coupled with, take a look at, we did see some, the data that came out of China. When you really look at that data there, well, it was in line with expectation. It's also basically showing a bit of a slowdown there in conjunction with, again, those inventory numbers, seeing the stocks, increase again this week quite a bit, actually more than double what the expectation was. So supply side looked good. Technically, look at that market, you get up around that 93 level. There does seem to be, we kind of bang up on it a little bit through it, but there seems to be very good resistance up there in my opinion. So, I still like the short side of that market, but you have to be cautious. Yesterday, we did get I talked about, possibly getting down around $90 a barrel. We got down to a low yesterday of around 90.66. So let's watch the price action in there today. Give me a call if you want to talk about some strategies, some ideas. I've got a couple different plays that we could review and some risk management strategies as well in there. So give me a call at the number on the screen or shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk with you. Of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.